Hello, title of our project is Formulation and Evaluation of Herbal Skincare Kit Alomeric. Objectives included are to procure and authenticate extract, to optimize the formula of product to pass the BIS specification of evaluation parameters, to package the product with proper labeling. Benefits are that the project will take homemade remedies to ready to use marketed product at affordable price, and it is having preservative free product. What is the need of skincare? Skincare is important for regeneration of skin cells. Then what is the problem with current products? Current products are having harmful synthetic chemicals, and the products which are natural are way too costly. Solution of that is our product Alomeric, which will allow you to relive your beauty. Alomeric is having aloe vera and turmeric as main ingredient, and this gave the birth of the brand name Alomeric. This packet will include 5 sachets of orange peel face wash, rice scrub, multani mitti face pack, face serum, moisturizing cream, which will provide dewy finish effect on your skin. This is the procedure through which we package and label the final product. Thank you.